do a little intro and guys can just hang out. Sweet breath, I could taste what you were thinking. Sweet breath, that's the taste. Neurons blinking. I was just a little boy. I threw away all of my action toys. Well, I became obsessed with Operation. With hearts and mouths and suits and glands, you gotta learn to keep a steady hand. And thus began my morbid fascination. Nooses noosed around our necks made of DNA. Every day it's growing tighter, no matter what you do or say. But you just shoot right through with rays of dark matter just before they kick out. They kick out the light. Rays of dark matter. Rays of dark matter. Oh no. Do you wonder where the self resides? Sit in your head or between your sides? Who will be the one who will decide? It's true location. It's a question for the century. From communion to mad cow disease. But is it worthy of this song? Life's vacation. Tore the spines from out of all these self-help books. Myself a gun that not only shoots but looks so real. It shoots through steel with rays of dark matter. Rays of dark matter. Like something catching fire. Do you wonder where the self resides? Is it in your head or between your sides? Who will be the one who will decide? It's true, okay. ocean.